ASEAN means Association of. Good morning to all of you. As I told you today, I will start ASEAN. ASEAN means Association of Southeast Asian Nation. Southeast Asian Nation. So, what is this? These are the organizations like NAM, like UNO, and like NATO. NATO is a military organization, but it's an organization. And ASEAN is an also organization. If we look at the political map of the world, which countries would you say fall in the southern east region of Asia? It could be a question for you that what are the countries which fall in the southeast eastern region of Asia? Southeast east region के एशिया के countries कौन कौन से हैं? Before and during the Second World War, this region of Asia suffered the economic and political consequences. Economic and political consequences. The consequences, whenever the consequences comes, it's a negative word. Both European and Japanese, both European and Japanese, at the end of the war, it confronted problems of nation building. Lots of problems were there in Southeast Asian nations. The first was the political consequences after the repeated colonialism. What do you mean by repeated colonialism? Repeated colonialism means in a country there are many colonies who are controlling their resources for their own benefit. For example, India was a colony of five countries. Five countries like Dutch countries, Portuguese, Dutch, Portuguese, Britishers, right? And French people, French colonies, French government. They made us. We were the colonies of like five countries. What do you think? They want to improve us. They want to improve our condition. No, they don't want to improve our condition, but they want to plunder our resources for their own benefit. They want to plunder our resources for their own benefit. So it confronted problems of nation building, the ravages of poverty and economic backwardness. What do you mean by ravages? जो आखिर में बच जाता है, जो बुरा हाल होता है whenever the colony plunder another colony, a colony plunder its own territory, this territory which is captured by the countries. वो टेरिटरी जो दूसरे कंट्रीज ने कैप्चर करके रखा हुआ जब उसको पूरी तरह से लूट लेती है और बाकी कुछ नहीं रहता उसे कहते हैं ravages. So ravages, these were the poverty and economic backing and pressure to align with the great power. And after the ravages, they were the poor country. And now what the pressure was? The pressure was that they have to settle in between two countries, that is America and Russia, USSR, because they were unable to move alone. They cannot move alone. They need some type of, you know, balance, balance situation, balance support. It could be from USSR, it could be from America. So it confronted problems of nation building. सबसे बढ़िया सी नेशन को कैसे बिल्ड किया जाए? How to build a nation when there are the ravages? How to build a nation? And the ravages of poverty and economic, the pressure to align with one great power or another during the Cold War. This was a recipe for conflict, which the countries of Southeast Asia could ill afford. Efforts of Asian and Third World unity, such the Bandung Conference and the Non-Aligned Movement. I told you just now that conferences just like non-aligned movement. It is also an organization. to support the third world countries. What do you mean by third world countries? The countries which were developing. There are two types of countries after 1945. One is developing countries, one is developed countries. डेवलपिंग का तो कहीं एंड ही नहीं है, आप जितना मर्जी डेवलप करते रहे. Right. India, it is said for the last good years that India is near to the developed country, but it's near to the developed countries, right? But it's not fully developed. Lots of problems we are facing from the economic scenario, from the political scenario, from the world scenario, right? We are facing lots of problems, and one of the most major problem is two problems: unemployment, population, overpopulation, unemployment, and overpopulation. So these organization tries to minimize the problems of developing countries because they are being supported by they are being supported by major good financial countries and organizations. Okay, now hence the Southeast Asian nations, hence the Southeast Asian nation sought an alternative alternative by establishing the Association for Southeast Asian Nations. तो उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि इन्होंने एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बनाई जो साउथ ईस्ट एशिया के अंदर आते हैं एंड दे मेड एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन टू हेल्प देमसेल्व्स, राइट. So Asian was established in ASEAN was established in 1967. ASEAN was established in 1967 by 5 countries. 5 countries ने आसिया की नींव रखी. Sometime don't pronounce as Asia, Asia, and but it's ASEAN. ASEAN was established in 1967 by 5 countries of the region. Number one, Indonesia. Number two, Malaysia. Number three, Philippines. Number four, Singapore. And number five, Thailand. These are the 5 countries. And these 5 countries, they put together and they formed ASEAN by signing a Bangkok Declaration. Bangkok, where it's in Thailand. Bangkok Declaration. The objectives, what now? The question comes over here. What are the objectives? The objectives of ASEAN was primarily to accelerate economic growth. Look now, every country depends on economy. Your home, even from your home. If I start your house, your home, come to the country, come to the international organizations. Why we say that America is a superpower? Why? What was the reason that Russia, this USSR was disintegrated? So the objectives of ASEAN was primarily to accelerate economic growth through that social progress and cultural development. Social progress और cultural development के साथ here social progress and cultural development, right? A secondary objective was to promote regional peace and stability. Here only. First is the objectives of ASEAN was primarily to accelerate economic growth, number one, through where social progress and cultural development. Number two, our secondary objective was to promote regional peace and stability. Look, if you are not under the regional peace, if there is no peace, it means there is a no development. If there is a no development, then no cooperation. If there is a no development, then there will be no stability. Development and stability are for each other. Development and stability are for each other. On the rule of law and the principles of United Nations Charter, UNO, United Nations Organization, UNO. Over the years, Brunei Darussalam, Vietnam, Laos, Myanmar, Cambodia, they joined ASEAN. These five or six countries, slowly and steadily, they joined ASEAN. Unlike the EU, European Union, a very powerful organization, unlike the EU, there is a little desire in ASEAN for supranational structure and institution. ASEAN countries have celebrated what has become known as ASEAN Way, a form of integration that is formal, non-confrontationist, and cooperative. Non-confrontatist. What do you mean confrontation? लड़ाई, झगड़ा, उसे confrontation कहते हैं. Non-confrontation and cooperative. The respect for national sovereignty. The respect for national sovereignty is critical to the functioning of ASEAN. The respect for national sovereignty, they are the critical to the functioning of ASEAN. Means how this organization ASEAN is working. They are like UNO, United Nations Organization. Lot of criticism is there against UNO also that they are the biased organization. They support only basically European Union, European countries. They have reservation for the ASEAN. They have the reservation for the Asian nation and other developing nations. समझ में आ रहा है? देखिए आसियान जो है एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है किसके लिए अपने आसपास की जो उसके जो मेंबर्स कम्युनिटी है उनके अंदर डेवलपमेंट होने के लिए वो कैसे डेवलपमेंट करेगी म्यूचुअल कोऑपरेशन के साथ इकोनॉमिक कोऑपरेशन के साथ जितना भी कम हो सके झगड़ा फसाद कम करना है जितने भी झगड़ा फसाद कम होंगे उतना डेवलपमेंट ज्यादा होगी so ASEAN is also a type of organization like UNO, United Nations Organization. Okay, and the respect for national sovereignty is critical. With the sum of the fastest growing countries of the world, ASEAN broadened its objective beyond the economic and social affairs. In 2003, ASEAN moved along with the path of EU. ASEAN moved along with the path of EU, European Union, by agreeing to establish an ASEAN community comprising three pillars, namely ASEAN Security Community, ASEAN Economic Community, and ASEAN Socio-Cultural Community. इसके तीन पिलर हैं किसके आसियान के वो पिलर का नाम क्या पे what was the name of those pillars? Those pillars are named are the ASEAN Security Community. Underline कर लीजिए three pillars of ASEAN जो आपके राइट हैंड साइड के अंदर थोड़ा छोटा सा कार्टून बना हुआ है उसके नीचे ब्लैंक स्पेस है these blank space for your particular special notes small notes three pillars are ASEAN Security Community, ASEAN Economic Community, and ASEAN Socio-Cultural Community. ASEAN Socio-Cultural Community. The the ASEAN Security Community were based on the community was based on the conviction that outstanding territorial dispute should not escalate into armed confrontation. सबसे पहले तो आसियान की सिक्योरिटी कम्युनिटी क्या कहती है कि जो छोटे मोटे डिस्प्यूट है ना, these little dispute, small dispute, it should be minimized by cooperation. It should be minimized by cooperation. Then, and it should not accelerate. Here, last one. This is the one. Extreme left portion column. The ASEAN Security Community was based on the conviction that outstanding territorial disputes should not accelerate into armed confrontation. Armed confrontation में बदलना जाए. By 2003, ASEAN had several agreements in place by which member states promised to uphold peace, neutrality, cooperation, non-interference, and respect for national differences and sovereign rights. So when they got this organization, and they promised to members of each other, the member promised to each other that first of all they will respect each other. एक दूसरे की वो इज्जत करेंगे, एक नेशन दूसरे नेशन की इज्जत करेगा. No interference in internal matters. Number two, promise uphold peace. Uphold peace मतलब शांति को बरकरार रखेंगे. There should be no confrontation. Uphold peace and neutrality. Neutral रहेंगे हम. We will not go to either side of the major powers, USSR and America. That time USSR was there. Russia was there. So USSR was disintegrated and Russia came into being. So they will not be with the communist countries or not in the capitalist countries. Neutrality, cooperation and non-interference. Cooperation करेंगे और non-interference करेंगे. एक दूसरे के बातों में दखलंदाजी नहीं करेंगे. Cooperation, non-interference, respect for national difference and sovereign rights. एक दूसरे के sovereign rights को accept करें, sovereignty को accept करेंगे. The ASEAN Regional Forum, which was established in 1994, is a coordination and security foreign policy. There's a security and a foreign policy at 1994 is organization that carries out coordination. ये एक ऐसा organization था कि 1994 के बाद इसने coordination and cooperation का जो फंडा है, the fundamental aspect of cooperation coordination, that was at the height. ASEAN was coming up as one of the peaceful nations of the world. Okay, ASEAN was still remains principally an economic association. Is underline कर लीजिए. ASEAN basically they are principally they want to go for the economic development. Excuse me. They want to go for the. I was drinking water, feeling thirsty. So they were going. They were thinking that the economic development should be there. ASEAN was still remains principally an economic association with the ASEAN region as a whole in a much smaller economy compared to the US and EU. देखिए दो big countries, maybe organizations हैं. EU, they are very good economically developed country. EU, European Union. Another was US, United States of America. Right, they are also very much developed country. So while the ASEAN region as a whole is a much smaller economy, यदि हम कंपेयर करेंगे कि इकोनॉमी में कोई खास नहीं है, किसके साथ कंपेयर कर रहे हैं, हम कंपेयर कर रहे हैं यूएसए के साथ. हम कंपेयर कर रहे हैं यूएन के साथ, ईयू के साथ, सॉरी ईयू के साथ। उन्होंने तो ईयू मीन्स यूरोपियन यूनियन एंड दे हैव द वन ऑफ द बेस्ट करेंसी इज यूरो। इन कंपेयर किसके साथ करना चाहिए? कंपेयर उससे जस्ट दे इफ दे काउंटर पार्ट वैसे ही है। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल नैम, नॉन अलाइन मूवमेंट के साथ हम कंपेयर कर सकते हैं द कंट्रीज ऑफ द नॉन अलाइन मूवमेंट। सो these ASEAN was a small group. ASEAN was a small group and they are having economic development. Okay. The ASEAN Regional Forum, ARS, ASEAN Regional Forum, which was established in 1994, इसको अंडरलाइन कर लो, मैं पहला पढ़ा चुका हूँ। ये ऐसा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन था जो 1994 में जन्म लिया जिसने, और कंपेयर किसके साथ करना है? जस्ट काउंटर पार्ट के साथ, ना तो ईयू के साथ ना यूएस के साथ। एंड Japan is economic growth. This accounts for the growth of its influence both in region and beyond. The objectives of ASEAN Economic Community are to create a common market and production. Common market, ये ना याद है आपको? EU, यूरोपियन यूनियन, यूरो, जिन्होंने कॉमन करेंसी बना दी थी, so that they can counter the influence of US, United States of America के influence को counter कर सके। The objectives of the ASEAN Economic Community are to create a common market. वो एक common market को create करना चाहते थे, so that to enter into the market and to have a growth should not be a mammoth task. बहुत डिफिकल्ट टास्क ना हो उनके लिए। तो सबसे पहले क्या होना चाहिए? मार्केट, कॉमन मार्केट को डेवलप करें, कोऑपरेशन डेवलप करें, अपनी इकोनॉमी डेवलप करें, राइट? सो to create a common market and the production basis ASEAN state and to have a social and economic development in the region. The economic community would also like to improve the existing ASEAN dispute settlement mechanism to resolve economic dispute. देखिए जहाँ तक 5, 7, 8 कंट्रीज हो और मेंबर्स बढ़ते जा रहे हो, तो इट्स बट नेचुरल दैट देयर विल बी डिस्प्यूट। डिस्प्यूट तो होगा, बिकॉज डिस्प्यूट नहीं है तो इसका मतलब है 1 or 2 countries are dominating the other small countries. Dispute should be there, but there should be solution of those disputes. They should not go for full scale war to settle the disputes. ASEAN has focused on creating a free trade area, FTA, free trade area, right? For investment, labor, and services. The US and China have already moved fast to negotiate FTA and RCA. USA is also supporting them. Let me tell you one thing. ASEAN is rapidly growing into a very important regional organization. It would be a question for you in the final examination. ASEAN is rapidly growing into a very important regional organization. Discuss this statement. Discuss this statement. Right? In vision, in its vision, vision का मतलब है बेसिकली जो जो इनका एक आउटगोइंग सोर्सेस है जिसके ऊपर ये काम करेंगे। उनका विजन क्या है, उनकी सोच क्या है, उनकी मंजिल क्या है, उनका विजन क्या है, किस उनकी फिलॉसफी क्या है, फिलॉसफी ऑफ वर्किंग, philosophy of working. Its Vision 2020 has defined an outward-looking into roles of ASEAN in the international community. This builds an existing ASEAN policy to encourage negotiation over conflicts. अभी आपको कहा था negotiations over conflicts. कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स को खत्म करना है, झगड़ा फसाद खत्म करना है। कैसे? आपस में बातचीत करके। Let you come together. Let the opposition come together. and they discuss the certain points for which are the causes for the disputes. जब हम बात करेंगे तो सॉल्यूशन निकलेगा. The builds on the existing ASEAN policy to encourage negotiation over conflict in region. Thus, ASEAN has meditated the end of Cambodian conflict, East Timor conflict, and meets annually to discuss East Asian cooperation. ये हर साल मिलती है एक organization. Every member sit together. They put the agenda, they put the vision, and they put the basic, conflict dispute points, so that those dispute and conflicts should be minimized on the conference table. तो आज बस इतना ही. I will continue on Monday. Next same part ASEAN, and I will give you the homework. Please be serious when you are doing the homework. If I say that write down a comprehensive note on ASEAN, it's a huge question. आपने उसको ठीक से लिखना है, उसके कब हुआ, कब इंट्रोडक्शन के साथ उसमें सब कुछ, उनके मेन प्रिंसिपल पॉइंट्स क्या है, what they think, how they should develop, how the ASEAN was, able to come up into the world arena. ये सब आपने लिखना होगा, so that your answer should be absolutely complete. I know you are very intelligent. Just go through this ASEAN again. You have got your laptop, you have got your mobile. You can have just look for the ASEAN and its history, and you can chalk down in your copy. Right? Fine. Thank you. Have a nice time. Do your work sincerely. Bye bye.